Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir. Dear student, today we start one topic of redox reaction. Before this video lecture, I am completing one topic of that is oxidation and reduction reaction. You know, dear student, what is in by oxidation and what is in by reduction related to oxygen activity, and related to hydrogen activity, what is in by oxidation and what is in by reduction. You know, dear student, oxidation means oxygen combined with element or compound and forms oxide, that is oxidation, and when oxygen removed from the compound, that is called reduction. In this way, the chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, means at the same time, then that chemical reaction is called a redox reaction. You know, dear student, there is one question for 3 marks. There is one question for 3 marks. What is question here? For 3 marks in your annual examination also. What is redox reaction? What is redox reaction? What is redox reaction? Explain with example. Explain with example. What is redox reaction? Explain with example. The question for 3 marks. This question for 3 marks. Then dear student, how we write the answer of this question? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आपण कसं लिहिणार की रेडॉक्स, व्हॉट इज रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन, एक्सप्लेन विथ एग्जांपल. यू नो व्हॉट इज रेडॉक्स? रेडॉक्स मीन्स oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in a given chemical reaction. Means you are given one chemical reaction, and in that reaction oxidation and reduction process takes place at the same time there, and that reaction is called a redox reaction. Look here, what is the answer of this question? What is redox reaction? When answer is that when oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in a given chemical equation or in a given chemical reaction is called redox reaction. Look here, dear student, that is the definition of this redox reaction. When this oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, this word is very important, takes place simultaneously or at the same time in a given chemical reaction, then that reaction is called a redox reaction. We take an example of redox reaction here. Example, we write the equation, that is CuO plus H2. CuO plus H2, then it forms H2O plus Cu. Then it forms H2O plus Cu. CuO plus H2, that forms H2O plus Cu. Dear student, in this chemical reaction related to oxygen activity, both the process takes place simultaneously or at the same time. Oxygen removed from the compound and oxygen combined with another element. Look here, in this chemical reaction, oxygen removed from which compound? Oxygen removed from Cu, and that Cu becomes a separate. Then oxygen combined with which element? This removed oxygen combined with hydrogen, that forms a H2. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या केमिकल रिएक्शन मध्ये ऑक्सिडेशन आणि रिडक्शन एकाच वेळेस घडून आलेले आहे. कसं या ठिकाणी लक्ष द्या, CuO मधून ऑक्सिजन बाहेर निघाला आणि Cu वेगळा झाला, आणि तो बाहेर निघालेला ऑक्सिजन जो आहे तो या हायड्रोजन सोबत कंबाईन झाला आणि या ठिकाणी H2O तयार झाला. म्हणजे एका ठिकाणी रिडक्शन झालं आणि एका ठिकाणी ऑक्सिडेशन झालं. व्हॉट इज ऑक्सिडेशन? व्हेन ऑक्सिजन कंबाइन इट इज ऑक्सिडेशन, व्हेन ऑक्सिजन रिमूव्ह इट इज रिडक्शन. Look here, with an arrow we can indicate which oxidation and which reduction. Here CuO to Cu. Dear student, look towards the arrow. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो arrow कडे पहा. CuO पासून तर Cu पर्यंत that is a reduction. That is a reduction. आणि H2 पासून तर H2O पर्यंत that is oxidation. That is oxidation. Means why here from CuO to Cu? That is reduction, because oxygen removed from this CuO and as a result that Cu gets formed. Oxygen बाहेर पडल्यामुळे हा CO सेपरेट झाला, कॉपर सेपरेट झाला, hence that is reduction. And this तो सेपरेट झालेला ऑक्सिजन it combine with this hydrogen and forms a H2O, means H2 to H2, that is oxidation. Means in this way we can indicate oxidation and reduction by using the arrow method. Then we explain here what is oxidation. What is oxidation? Oxidation means oxygen combined with hydrogen forms water. Give a detail here. Oxygen combined with hydrogen forms water. Means forms oxide, that is oxidation. Then what is a reduction? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो इथे reduction काय? What is reduction here? That oxygen removed from copper oxide. Oxygen removed from copper oxide. Oxygen removed from copper oxide forms copper is a reduction. Means in this way, dear student, the chemical reaction in which that oxidation and reduction takes place same time or simultaneously, that chemical reaction is called a redox reaction. And we can use the example of redox reaction. Then you know that is explained in detail what is in a given example, what is oxidation and what is reduction. Means then we get that is a complete out of that is 3 marks here, that full credit when we write a such type of answer of this question. Dear student, in my next video I am explaining and giving that is other examples of redox reaction here and explanation of that examples, equations, what is oxidation and what is reduction, and how that in a given example how that redox reaction, oxidation and reduction takes place same time in that chemical reaction. Hence dear student, please watch my another videos, next videos, to complete all total this topic of this science 1 of 10th class, a state board. And thanks for watching my video.